talking about the art of the side hustle. Welcome back to the video, guys. Today I'm going to be giving you guys the 3 best side hustles that exist out there. I promise you guys, if you just implement at least one of these, you're going to be making a lot more money. Let's get into the video. If you guys live in Los Angeles especially, you'll know that everyone in the city tends to have some sort of job after their day job, because guess what? Living in LA is not cheap. This apartment right here that I'm in right now, that I'm actually renovating, you can probably see the gray walls, is actually around $3 grand a month, and this is the cheapest unit in the building. In order to pay your bills, you have to have a side hustle. I promise you, if you start to sort of take advantage of these different side hustle options, you're gonna start to make so much more money, you're gonna feel so much more fulfilled, and you're gonna be using your time much more efficiently. So with that being said, guys, let's get straight into the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, turn the post notifications on. Let's dive into it. Alright, what's going on, guys? The #1 side hustle that I wanted to share with you guys today is the opportunity of buying and selling real estate. Now, the great thing about this as a side hustle is real estate is 24/7. You don't have to be working from a 9 to 5. If you have a corporate job, the whole point of a side hustle is to be able to work after your corporate job so that you're able to build your second source of income after your earned income, which you're getting from your corporate job. So the great thing about real estate is if you want to work from 6 p.m. until midnight or 2 a.m., you have the opportunity to do so, because guess what? Everybody needs a place to stay. The process of buying and selling real estate can be super stressful, and people just, to be quite frank, can't handle that without having someone hand holding them through the process. And that's where you guys come in, whether you're going to be representing buyers, representing sellers, or even possibly working on the lending side. And the great thing about real estate is there's such a low barrier to entry. So if you want to go get your real estate license within the next 3 months, all you have to do is study for the exam, pass the state exam, and then you get your license. So guys, real estate is the #1 side hustle. Now let's get into #2. Alright guys, so let's get straight into the second best side hustle that you guys can have after your regular 9 to 5 job. Guys, the whole point of this is to be able to build a second source of income, and once you've built this source of income, you're going to have a lot more cash to then build your third source of income, which you're going to get from the stock market, index funds, etc., etc. So that second side hustle, guys, we all know about this and we all see it every day. And that second side hustle that we're discussing today is e-commerce. E-commerce, if you don't know, is basically the sale of goods online on the internet. So you guys have all heard of Shopify. Shopify is a great tool for you guys to use to actually go build your own website and create your own store. All you guys got to do is hire somebody from Fiverr, which is a great resource. Ask them to build your shop. They'll build it for you, and you guys are going to be all squared away. The next thing you guys got to do is obviously find what you want to sell. You could use resources like DHgate, AliExpress, Alibaba to basically source products from China. And then you can also leverage influencer marketing and Facebook advertising using lookalike audiences and basically marketing to people based on their interests. And then you can also leverage Facebook ads for retargeting. And then you can also use different websites out there for building email campaigns and also to do giveaways, which is another great way to sort of build anticipation for your product online. So, fucking planes. That's the #2 side hustle for you guys. Let's get right into #3. Let's go. #3, guys, is so amazing, and that is influencer brand partnerships. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on this. The whole concept is become friends with influencers, get them to become your clients, have them trust you, and then go out and find brands to actually advertise on their social media. This one can make you a lot of money. You just gotta align yourself with the right influencers. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Divij, they're not gonna reply to me. I have like 1,000 followers. Why would they respond to me out of all the thousands of people out there that are probably trying to do the same thing? I promise you, if you just DM 100 right now, after this video, because I want you to finish it, if you DM 100 people on Instagram that you look up to, I promise you, at least 5 of them will respond to you and express interest in whatever you're providing, as long as what you message them is providing them value. If you're coming with value, guys, they are gonna respond to you all day, right? So go ahead and try that, guys. That is side hustle #3. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, man. It's your boy Divij Vaswani. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.